Are you looking for a job in the UK or trying to figure out your career path? If so, you may have heard of the SOC code. But what is it? And how do you choose the right one for you in the UK? The SOC code stands for Standard Occupational Classification Code. It's a system that the UK government uses to classify and track jobs in the United Kingdom. When you're looking for a job, you'll often see the SOC code listed in the job description. It's important to pay attention to this code, because it can help you narrow down your search to jobs that are a good fit for your skills and experience. So, how do you choose the right SOC code in the UK? Here are some steps you can take. You can find the SOC codes on the UK government's National Careers Service website. Simply type in the name of the job you're interested in, and the website will provide you with the corresponding SOC code. Look at the job duties and requirements for each job that interests you, and compare them to your own skills and experience. Eliminate any codes that don't match up with your qualifications. Look up each of your top choices online and read about the job duties, requirements, and salaries. You may also want to talk to people who work in those fields to get a better idea of what the job is really like. After you've done your research, choose the SOC code that best matches your skills, experience, and interests. By choosing the right SOC code, you'll be able to focus your job search and increase your chances of finding a job that's a good fit for you in the UK. How we can help? CGM app is an end-to-end immigration app, designed to make the immigration and global mobility process more seamless and compliant, specifically for expats, sponsoring companies, and immigration consultants globally. Visit cgmpartners.org.uk/register for more information.